Cindy. Right there. There's the puppies that they won't let us get. Right there.
Oh, here, puppies.
Yeah, look, there's one of the puppies.
Come here, babies.
Someone get the puppies on camera.
I got them.
Yeah.
Kind
Oh
of.
yeah, there's two.
Yeah,
Right
I
after
think
the
there are
corner.
3 of them right there.
They probably hear all the vehicles and they're like, who's
Come here, babies.
man?
Where's Mama?
She's with him. She has a broken
Yeah, the
back.
mama's at our house.
We got one puppy too.
We only have two now.
Sorry. I'm not a very good cameraman here. I don't know what happened.
There's really 2 puppies right there.
I think there's 3.
Y'all should do your jobs and grab the puppies.
Yep.
Come here, baby. Come see Mama. We got your Mama. I know you see me.
someone got some
Hi,
food?
baby.
What about that blanket that their mother is on? Do we have it?
Oh, that Saint is in the back of the van.
Is she got milk?
A little.
Go get it.
I was
She's
literally
almost dried
bitching to
up.
Mary about
She's got a
these
little
situations
nurser
and how
get
this
some
area
in
is.
enough
Oh,
on the
it's
way here.
Put it in a
And
spray
it
bottle
plays out
with
exactly how
Franklin
it
and Crawford.
and squirt it over there. They'll come for the
We
smell of
can't
that
walk
milk.
on the property.
No, if you just.
This
spray
isn't
it,
their
they'll-
property. This
they'll
isn't
smell
easy.
that.
Yeah.
This is
Anybody
still
got a breast pump?
no.
You can pump milk from the mother and
I'm
spray it.
I'm way too old for that.
And they will come for that milk. Yeah, go get the blanket. Let's go.
Should we go back home and get some milk from Mama? See if we can.
There's not enough.
But last night the baby.
Do you have a turkey baster?
I was thinking
Turkey baster.
Come here.